I have these two exponential equations which I want us to solve together. Okay, and because we'll be using calculators. Yeah, so the first one says 60 open brackets 1 minus e to the power negative t over 2 is equal to 20. The second one is the ln of 5.14 over x is equal to 3.72. So how do we solve these two questions? All right, so starting with the first one. Okay, so we have 60 and put 1 minus e to the power this, which is equal to what? 20. Step 1 is you can actually eliminate the 60 by dividing throughout. Okay, once you do that, you remain 1 minus e to the power negative that is equal to 0 and 0, 1 over 3, isn't it? It's 1 over 3, huh? Yes, 1 over 3. So this is what we are getting here. Okay, now we can take this 1 the other side, or if you want, we can say 1 minus 1 over 3 is equal to e to the power negative this over 2, which is just the same as e to the power negative t over 2 equal to 1 minus 1 over 3. You agree, right? Then evaluating this fraction on the other side, we get negative t over 2, which will give us 2 over 3. Now, looking at the stage at which we've reached, because of this negative, we can reciprocate this. This goes like this. We know the rules of indices, right? If there's a negative, we can reciprocate those. It comes like this. We even eliminate the negative. So now, where are we going? So we have, we can take natural logarithms both sides, in fact. So we can take ln, we have got e t over that, and here we can take ln 3 over 2. Okay, which I know this one can drop down this side by the laws of logarithms. We get t over 2 ln e is equal to ln 3 over 2. Ln e is just 1. So here we are just getting t over 2 is equal to natural log of 3 over 2. We can now cross multiply and say t is equal to 2 ln 3 over 2. You can leave it there. If you want, you can punch in the calculator, but so far it's okay. The b1, which is the number 2 is the natural log of 5.14 over x is equal to 3.72. How do we find x? All right, so from here we know that from natural, like the normal definition of a logarithm, all right, if we have a log here and so on, this one just the same as 5.14 over x equal to, because this is ln, because it goes to exponential, to be the natural exponential, which is e, all right, to the power this one here, this one becomes the power. We know how when you've got log a b is equal to c. This is just because equal to this, then a to the power c, like that. This is what we've done here. Okay, so now it's even done. Now we can just cross multiply, because this one and this one, they're inversely related. We get x as equal to 5.142, so 1 4, then you get e to the power 3.72. and at the same time you can notice that if we can take this one up there, it gains a negative, so by the laws of indices we get this, right? Which if you want you can punch on the calculator, but for me I don't have a calculator, so I'm going to end here. And thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed these two questions.